Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! And welcome back to my very first episode of my channel's new content, Challenge with a Stranger. So we're here in SM today, SM, to play bowling with someone. So hanap tayo ngayon ng jammer para magsaya at magpasaya, and at the same time, para makatulong tayo in our own small ways. So the jammer, the lucky jammer, will win. You heard it right. 2,000 pesos.
Oh my God! Wow!
But, of course, if he or she will win against me.
Easy money. Easy money. Easy.
Tara! Hanap tayo natin first lucky jammer of the day. Jam with me. Vamos! Alright, let's go. Let's find our first jammer. But of course, we're in SM, so we need to wear face masks. So I'm just gonna remove this one if you have already found some. So, here's our money, our prize money. But it's only 2,000. So ang kaning uban guys, sa sunod na pud nga episode oy kay pobre ba ya? 2,000 no sa aron good.
Okay.
So pag subscribe na lagi mo nya, like, share para madaghan natong kwarta, madaghan nato tag 5,000, 10,000 na atong prize sunod. Tara, kita nato na. Alright guys, so I think it's better if we'll find a group of friends para mas masaya, di ba? Kaya naay mo cheer niya. Akong cameraman na mo cheer na ako. Alright guys, so we're here in the cyber zone now. There. We'll see if we can find a bunch of friends there who can play bowling with me.
1 hour later.
Hindi na rin kakoyo ko rin. Medyo may nakita group of friends. But don't worry. We'll not give up. Aja. Laban lang dyan ta. Laban na dyan rin dapita. Group of friends. Tara, group of friends. Hi guys. Hi vlog, welcome to my guys.
NANI?!
Ito? Oh, mga daga. Mga dalangging-ding. No!
Try.
Dalaging-ding ko na.
Kung wala ka nang may...
Wala ko ba? Hi! You mga friends? Naghimo may vlog karon ba? Play bowling with me? So maybe usa sa imong friends gusto makig-play og bowling nako. And then hi, nag-vlog din. Nag-vlog mi karon, and then ang among content is challenging a stranger. And then maybe na isa sa inyo ha makig-play og bowling nako, and if you're gonna win, then you will win 2,000. If I think it's what? Only isa ra against nako. Ha? Well, ako dili man sad kukuan kay maayo kayo kaduha ra ka try bowling sa una ra pud to. So parehat ang mga di kayo kay balo. So kinsa man? Ikaw si Samantha siya lang. Sure ka? Sige, go. So siya. say name mo?
Samantha.
Samantha. Okay, ngano na mo diri sa kuan sa yes.
Okay, pagkain naman mo exam.
Okay. Okay. Laglaag sila. Treat sayang self. Samantha ang atong first lucky jammer of the day and we'll see if makadaog siya against nako. Okay naman ikaw, mas dagang nag-cheer kaysa nako. Ako, kameraman na dyan ako. Hi, John. Hi, John.
Let's go, Jam.
Okay.
Hi sa mga friends.
Hi, friends!
Uy, unexpected lagi rin.
Yes.
Sana all my friends.
Yeah. Sana all my friends. Tara. Here, we're here in bowling. SM Bowling. So, mo niya mga players. First, Jam, and then second is Sam.
Pray.
Alright guys, so we're in lane 3 sa bowling. And it's me, Jam. Look at that one. Jam against Sam. Ang M, if ikaw na, mukha na siya. Mahilit lang yan. Okay. So, Jam and Sam. Ano po isa?
Ano po isa?
Oh, nagdoduha.
Uy!
Oh my God, usarag yun.
Lord!
Oh my God, go Sam.
Oh!
O diba, di ko kabalo.
Ate, dili masad ko.
Ay! Oh my God!
Wow! So, one.
Naman isa, duha.
Ah! Yeah, it's okay.
Or nag-warm up ako.
Okay, warm up.
Nag-warm up ako ah. Why is always there?
Oh my gosh. No. Ah!
Hello?
Ah, it's okay.
Dali, usa na lang.
Okay. Ah!
Ay! Yay! Thank you so much! 9-10. Daog gihapon siya gusada. Round 3.
We'll go next time.
Ano dito man, Jod?
Day kulbo siya, legit. Oh my gosh.
Go, Sam! Asa sa first turn ni Sam?
Ah, shit!
Ay! Dito na si Sam na.
Ah! Last!
Pusga! Lagi daw, Sam.
Ay, namalabak. We can do it.
Uy! Naparihan na ta sa 1.
Yay! 16. It's okay. Oh my!
Happy kayo sa lawang kaibo mo. score.
Oh my gosh.
Ang ganun ba? Happy kayo sila. Kailan ko ba ilang gay ko? Ang yaman nila.
Manifesting! Manifest! Two.
Round. Uy, ka na! Oh, straight ka!
Kaya kasi
Okay, kay Boma, siguro siya guling sa una.
legit! Hala!
Hala. Down. Straight kayo ginahunan. Dahil nagkatunga kay muling.
Ano daw? Oh my gosh! Strike! Oh, nice! Last! Uy, cheers sa mga tijam, uy, para din na siya wakal. Thank you!
Hala! Atay! Woo!
Not.
Come on!
Oh! Nice! Oh. Uy, naninood na sa tijam.
Oh my God! Kira to.
Ah! Oh my God!
Ah!
Oh, na. Wow!
Yay!
Oh.
So guys, giila na tong Sam guys. Kay Bao gid siya mo bowling.
Legit! Wala!
Kay Bao di. Kay Bao. Ah, dili. Wala jud.
Pani, kwan. Alo! 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 Ah! Shucks! Ay! Ah! Oh, nice!
Final round. Fight!
Ooh! Oh. Oh! 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 Naninood na sa tijam!
Dapat siya 3 ka ball. So, I don't think makakukod ko. Ikaw na. Ah, okay.
Tara.
Ay! Ay!
Oh! Legit! Wow! Last ball.
Yes.
Okay.
Ah, wait, wala pa.
Or,
Ah! Ah, wala na actually. Go.
yes!
Okay guys, so pinaka-last, ako 79 and Kansam is 85. So, labaw siya 6 points. So, which means, siya nakataon sa 2,000. Only 2,000, not 5,000. fun? Did you have fun?
Yeah.
You did?
No! Sa first time na ko, I think, ikaduhar ako like,
Kaduha ka naka...
Yeah,
this is your
naka-
second time bowling?
yeah.
Ah,
Pero
okay.
sa first time, dili jud like totally all
But I
in.
feel like you're actually a pro. No? No, yes, you did. Okay. And then Sam actually have a very, very supportive friend. Yay! So, thank you so much, Sam.
Thank
And panguli na po, di ba? Oy, first episode, kung kuha na ta, kung daghan na tag kwarta, kana siguro tag 5,000, 10,000, pero nagsugod pa man ni. And of course, naman ni sa akong YouTube, so mapangitan gito kinsa tong first contender, first jammer. I'll call you guys.
Mag-collab tanan.
Yes. So, mga estudyante pa din
Ay,
sila,
clue
guys.
ate, clue. Part siya sa prestigious school. Top 5. Na siya sa top 5.
Oo.
Yeah.
Ano?
Religious.
Sa
Pan. Si ang first letter.
Si.
Carmeline?
Hello!
Ang putang day. Ojo kay Bojoy. Okay naman na siguro. I think dili man ka. Okay. So it's very strict. So it's a religious school, and I don't think it's good to mention the school's name here. So let's forget about that. Well, anyway, thank you so much, guys.
Thank you!
Thank you. Group pic daw.
Yeah, group pic.
Asa man nga picture? Isa yung picture. Ikaw lang. Okay. Yes! You know what? You're right. Let's have a thumbnail. Alright, thank you so much, guys, for watching this episode of Challenging a Stranger. So we're playing bowling, and the lucky jammer of the day actually won the 2,000 pesos. So that's it. And if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss out any of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Adios. Thank you so much, SM Bowling, for allowing us to vlog in this area. Thank you.